Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a frown face turn into a happy face in Photoshop. First thing that we're going to do is go up to File, go down to Open, and open up your image. So you can see here that kind of have just a regular face, you know, it's kind of not frowning so much, but not really happy, so we'll just boost that up a little bit. The first thing we're going to do is just Control J. That duplicates our original, and that way we don't mess it up. And we can turn that off by clicking on the eye. The next thing we're going to do is go up to Filter and go down to Liquify tool. And by using this, we can just stretch out the face muscles and just pull them up to make it look like she's actually smiling. So you want your brush eyes to be kind of big, but not too big to where it's moving the entire face. So we'll just kind of get in here and raise up this smile. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we can fix it once we get out of the Liquify tool. So we're just kind of raising up the ends here, just stretching them out just a little bit, just so it kind of turns into a happy face here. That looks pretty good. So we'll press OK. Next thing you want to do is go up to the spot healing brush. And what we're going to do is kind of go back around to some pixels that we don't want to keep in here. And you just brush over top of it and it will take them away. There it goes. Just brought it up to a straight line. Something over there looks pretty good. See if I add that back in. There it is. And that's pretty much it. The last thing you want to do is go up to File, Save As, and resave your document. Pretty simple. My name is Jimmy Lick from Drill Riders TV Productions. Thank you for watching.